Hi, folks. My name is Joe Intrieri, and I just want to provide you with some information for this online course that we have. First thing, for the parents, you have such a key role in your child's education. And in this case, you are considered a learning coach. And what does that mean? Well, obviously, this is a cyber online environment, but you are there with your child. You see your child. So you can help with the little things, providing a proper environment and atmosphere for your student, for your child to be able to learn, and provide other assistance things. We'll provide the instruction, the necessary materials, but you are an active part of your child's education, and that is why you are a learning coach. So what's a key aspect of being a learning coach is also understanding the format, the learning management system that we're going to be using. For this course, we're using D2L. So it's important for you to be able to navigate throughout this course so that you know where the assignments are due, the grades, discussion boards, or other messages that will be offered to your child. One thing that we like to know as a school is we'll follow the students' individual instructional needs. That's if they have an IEP or not. So be sure to reach out to us, the school, the teachers, so that we know that what your child needs to be as successful as possible. We also find out that you as a parent or learning coach, that students are most successful whenever these parents or guardians are active in their child's communication and education. Whenever the student knows that there's someone that cares and is overseeing their work more than just the school, that's whenever they are most successful. Another key aspect that you have here in this online learning environment is that your child is being able to control their social interactions. So if you have a concern of being on the bus, you don't have to worry about that anymore because we provide the instruction in the house, obviously. So the key aspect here is your child will also be required and expected to maintain proper communication, respect, and conduct during these online interactions, whether it be with a teacher or their peers. So we want everyone to have the best learning environment as it possibly can. So we hope that you see being a learning coach and active in your child's education, it will be not only beneficial to you, but also ultimately to your child.